Yes po, ma'am.
So we are going to solve this first problem. We are given here, the problem states that we have one edge of the base of a regular square prism, which is 2 meters, and a lateral edge is 4 meters. We are going to find the ratio of the lateral area to the total area. So just kindly take a screenshot of this problem. Later on, we are going to use this. I am going to close my presentation here so I can maximize the use of my camera. So you just take a screenshot of this problem. Then we are going to discuss it now. So I'm gonna use my camera here. We are going to solve the problem. According to the problem, one edge of the base of a regular square prism is 4 meters. 2 meters. So meaning when you say square, regular square prism, so that means the base is a square. So let me draw first the figure. I am drawing not to scale here. Let me draw the prism with a base of a square, a regular square prism. So we have a regular square prism here, meaning the base is a square. So when you say the base is a square, then that means all sides are equal. Let me just draw my figure here. Again, I am drawing not to scale here. So just to represent the worded problem that was given to us. Okay. Is my audio clear? Still clear?
Yes. Oh,
Okay. So according to the problem, we have a square, regular square prism. Might as well off this. Okay. So we have a regular square prism for the base. So that means if this is 2 meters, this got to be 2 meters also. And then the edge is 4 meters. So this is 4 meters. So this is also 4 meters. We have also 4 meters here for the edge. Going back into what we previously have discussed, there are several properties of the prism. So in this particular case, we are given the base, which is a square base. So that means you have 2 meters by 2 meters for the dimension. So the question is, we are going to find the ratio of the lateral area to the total area, given that the lateral edge is 4 meters. So let me identify first what are the given. So we are given here, let's say this is X, and let's say this is H. So X is the side, one of the sides of the base. H is the lateral edge. So X, let's say, is 2 meters, and H is 4 meters. And then we are going to find, according to the problem, we have to find the ratio between the lateral area to the total area. So we need to determine the ratio of the lateral area to the total area. Therefore, we need to find first the lateral area. And how do we determine the lateral area? Remember that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lateral faces. And the area for each lateral face is this height multiplied by this length x. So one lateral area is x times h. X times h. And take note, we have 4 faces, lateral faces, so you multiply it by 4. Then we have the total area to determine. According to the properties, the total area is the area of the base plus the lateral area. How many bases do we have? We have 2 bases, one at the top, one in the bottom, and then the lateral faces, we have 4 lateral faces, which we have here the formula. So what we don't have yet is the formula for the area of the base. So for the area of the base, we have, this is a square, so all we have to do is to take a square, x times x. If this is x, this is also x. So we have x times x. So we have x times x. And how many bases do we have? We have 2 bases, so you're going to multiply it by 2. So therefore, the area, can you still view what I am writing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po.
Hindi po, ma'am.
The area of the base is 2x squared.
Hindi ko po kita, ma'am.
You adjust your gallery view. Baka kaya napuputol sa inyong screen. Right. So let me continue. By the way, in solving any worded problem, you can make use of the scientific procedure. Okay. You use the GAPSA procedure, wherein you identify all the given, you identify what is being asked of you. Then from the given data and the unknown data, you can find what formula is the most appropriate. And then after that, you show your solution. And of course, you have to indicate your answer with the correct unit. Okay, so let me continue. Now we have the area of the base. And we need to determine the total area. So let me continue. We are going to determine first the lateral area. The lateral area is simply equals to 4 times x times h. We have 4 times x, which is 2 meters, times h, which is 4 meters. So that means lateral area is equals to 4 times 4, 16 times 2, 32. And our unit is square meters. Now we need to determine also the area of the bases. So you have 2x squared, wherein x is representing the 2 meters. So the area of the base is equals to 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So you have 8 square meters. Now, to determine the total area, you add the area of the base, which is 8 square meter, plus the lateral area, which is 32 square meters. So the total area is equals to 40 square meters. So now, because you have the lateral area and the total area, we can now proceed to the question, the ratio between the lateral area to the total area, which is equals to 32 square meters over 40 square meters. So we can now cancel this out. And our answer will be equals to 4 over 5. You simplify the fraction, or you can say 4 is to 5. So this will be our answer. Any question? Any question?